So in the previous video, we have talked about data types and variables, and inside their variables we have assigned some value, and these are fixed value. And when a fixed value is assigned into a primitive data type variable, then these values are called literals. So here 15.5 and the float variable 12.5, character variable age, boolean, t true, these are all literals. When we work with integer, we actually think about the decimal numbers, but there are other number system, like decimal number is 10-best number system, and there are other number system like binary number system, which is a 2-best number system, and there are octal and hexadecimal. So to declare a variable in binary number system, we can write this like this way, and we will write 0 and then b. B means actually binary, and then as it is a 2-best number system, so we can only assign 1 and 0 inside of it. So if we write a number like this way, and now if I print out it, system.out.println, then we can find out the two value. One is from the result variable and another is from non-binary variable. When we want to write a number in octal and hexadecimal, there are also we can also write that in our Java program, and the rules is very simple. For octal, you have to write this like this way, 0 and 542 if I write this, and for hexadecimal I have to write my number like this way, 0x7e. And now let me comment it out because I don't need this value right now. System.out.println. Now if I run this program, oh sorry, I haven't saved this file, I'm getting the correct value. And suppose sometimes we get confused when we are assigned a very big value and there are many zeros in that value, so we are getting confused. How many zeros are there? Is that 1,000 or is that a crore? Is that a million or something else? Actually Java got us covered. So in Java we can extend our value by an underscore so that we can differentiate how many zeros are there. So Java has given us that facility by using the underscore. But if we print this line of code, then we will only given the value of it. We will not be given the underscore. This underscore is actually used so that we can differentiate how many zeros are there. So now if I run this code, it is giving us the value, and underscore is not included in inside this value. So now if I declare a double variable, and if I haven't assigned the point with the value, then the program will automatically extend my value by assigning .0 at the end of that value. So now if I save this program and then I run it, and see a dot 0 is extended with my current value, as double is actually used for the floating point number. When it comes to character, as you know, character contains only a character value, but there one thing which is called string literals, which is a set of character, and we will talk about this topic in the upcoming video. And when it comes to Boolean, it's only true or false, and these all value are actually literals.